Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be making some birthday cake French toast. So here's the items that you're going to need. You will need about 8 pieces of the thick sliced Texas toast. We'll need 5 eggs, about half a cup of brown sugar packed down, as well as 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and a pinch of salt and rainbow sprinkles. So if you love all things birthday cake, this play on French toast is definitely for you. It's full of rich vanilla flavor, drizzled with cream cheese icing, finished with sprinkles and whipped cream to make this birthday cake French toast irresistible to your kids or the kid in you. Celebrate any day of the week with this fun birthday inspired breakfast. First thing you're going to do is crack the 5 eggs into a large mixing bowl and whisk it lightly. You will then add in the brown sugar, the salt, the heavy whipping cream, and the vanilla to the eggs, and you'll just mix until it's well combined. Once you go ahead and get this mixture mixed up, you will then dip the slices of the Texas toast into the custard mixture one at a time. For this recipe, it is a total of 1 hour and 25 minutes for the total time. It is also a 15-minute prep time as well as a 10-minute cook time. It makes 8 pieces and it is a total calories of 317. And so you can use the cream cheese icing for drizzle at the end. I chose not to. The recipe for that will be in my description box down below, but for that you will need cream cheese icing. 4 ounces of the cream cheese, softened, half a teaspoon of the vanilla extract, 2 cups of powdered sugar sifted, 2 teaspoons of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt. Once you go ahead and dip the slices of the Texas toast into the custard mixture one at a time, you need to make sure you fully submerge it and place the slices onto a sheet pan or in a baking dish. After dipping each slice, sprinkle some sprinkles on each side and use a spoon or a spatula to dip the sprinkles into the Texas toast so that it actually sticks. Next, you want to let it soak into the bread on a sheet pan covered with plastic wrap for a minimum of 1 hour if you choose to make it right away, or you can put it in the refrigerator for overnight. My suggestion is overnight, as it is so much better. After the bread slices have finished soaking, you're going to heat your skillet with some butter, or you can use an electric griddle on 350 degrees. Once the pan is heated, melt some butter and put into the pan and allow it to get bubbly. Place each slice onto the pan and allow it to cook. I would only do 2 at a time if you have a pan like this, or you could do 4 at a time. Cook on each side for about 3 minutes or until they're golden brown. Step number 5, last but not least, is to top off with the cream cheese icing drizzle. More sprinkles and whipped cream. Light a candle and make a wish, or it would be better with just some butter and syrup. This is also a great recipe that you all can make for your kids by simply cutting it up into rectangles and serving it with syrup. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and join me on the next video.